Good morning, students. In last class we have seen that first 7 Romans, now 8th Roman. 8th Roman is find verify minus of minus x is equal to x. Okay, they are given first term x is equal to 11 by 15. Okay, they are given x is equal to 11 by 15. They are given what? Given minus of minus x equal to x. So minus of minus, what is x value? 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. Now see, minus into minus plus. So 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it's proved. Okay. Next, the same question they are given x is equal to second sum x is equal to minus 31 by 45. Minus 31 by 45. So, given x of x is equal to minus x, minus of minus x is equal to x. So, minus of, okay, they are given minus, they are given minus, here also minus, these two minus, these two minus, okay. Next we have to write, they are given minus 31 by 45. That is equal to, what is x? Minus 31 by 45. Now see, these two numbers, these minus into minus plus. Okay, so plus into minus 31 by 45 is equal to minus 31 by 45. Okay, this plus into minus is minus. So, minus 31 by 45 is equal to minus 31 by 45. Now, see, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it's proved. Okay, are you clear the 8th Roman? Now, 9th Roman, rearrange suitably. Ninth Roman, rearrange suitably and add minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 by minus 6. Okay, they are given question is rearrange suitably and add. Rational number we want to add means see the denominator. Denominator same means we have to add the numerator. Now see, this denominator and this denominator is same. 6 and minus 6 is same. So this minus will move up numerator. Okay. So how to rearrange? Rearrange. How to rearrange? Minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Okay. Plus 5 by 6. Here what? Minus. So here plus minus 13 by 6. Are you clear, ma? Last one is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now see, these two denominator is same. So add the numerator. Add means minus 3 plus 4 by 7. Okay. Plus these two denominator is same. Add the numerator. 5 minus 13 plus 1 by 3. Are you clear? Next, minus 3 plus 4. Add means both numbers are different sign. Subtract the number and put the greatest number sign. Subtract means 1, greater number is 4, so plus 1 by 7. plus denominator is 6. Now see 5 minus 13. Both numbers are different. You have the subtract. Subtract means you get 5 minus 13. What? 8. Minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Okay? Alright, clear ma? Now, see these two different size come in same table. So, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. So, how to change this one? 1 by 7 minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now see the same like as usual you put. Okay. So now see last two denominator is same. So 1 by 7 plus minus 4 plus 1 by 3. Okay, you subtract. Both numbers are different. Subtract means minus 3 by 3. Cancelled means you get minus 1. Okay, here 1 by 7 minus 1. Okay, 1 by 7 having now. So, one by 7 minus 1. 1 means denominator also 1. Now see the both two denominator is different. Inside minus. So want to take a LCM. LCM of 1 comma 7 is 7. So here already 7. How to change the 1 and 7 into 7. Here 7 means up also 7. So that 1 by 7 minus 7 by 7. That is equal to. So denominator is same 7. Subtract 1 minus 7. So 1 minus 7. Both numbers are different. So the biggest number, subtract the number, get 6. Biggest number sign is minus. So minus 6 by 7. Are you clear that? 9th Roman. Okay ma. Next 10th Roman. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? They are given. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? What should be added? So, what should be added means the unknown number, keep it A by B. What should be added to minus 8 by 9, we get 2 by 5. This only they are given question. Now you want to find the A by B. So keep it A by B this side. This 8 by minus 8 by 9 move to that side. Now write 2 by 5 already there. This minus 8 by 9 go that side means plus 8 by 9. Are you clear? Now see 5 and 9 both numbers are denominators is different. So want to take a LCM. LCM of 9 comma 5 is 45. So LCM is 45. This is side work. So 2 by 5. Which number multiply? You get 45. So 5 into 9. Here 9 means up also 9. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Next 8 by 9. Multiply with a dash, you get 45. Here 9 5s are 45. Here 5 means up also 5. 8 5s are 40. So take and write A by B is equal to 18 plus 40 by 45. Add means 58. 58 by 45. So both number not come in same table. So the A by B is 58 by 45. Are you clear? The 10th Roman. Okay ma. Now 11th Roman. 11th Roman is subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. Now see, subtract from one number. After the from which number having that number want to write it first. So minus 17 by 11. Subtract means subtract. Okay, this number minus 8 by 44. Are you clear, ma? So 8 and 44 come in same table. Which table? Fourth table. So 2 4s are 8. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. So how to change this one? Minus 17 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Okay, this minus and minus into minus plus. So minus 17 plus 2. These two numbers are same. So add the numerators. So minus 17 plus 2. Subtract. We get 15. Greatest number sign is minus. Minus 15 by 11. Are you clear, ma? 11th Roman. Now 12th Roman. Evaluate. Twelfth Roman. Evaluate. They are given first sum is 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. Denominator. Now see the inside multiplication. Between multiplication means how to see the numerator and denominator. These two numbers come in same table? No. These number? No. These cross? Yes. So 1 time, 3 time. Next these cross? No. So what are the remaining numbers? 3 by 2 into minus 11 by 1. So multiply. Numerator into numerator. Minus 3 into minus 11 minus 33 by 2 into 1 2. Are you clear? First one. Second one. Minus 7 by 27 by into second sum minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Yeah. Now see, minus and minus cancel. 7 and 35 come in same table. 1 7 5 7. These two numbers come in which table? Third table. So how many 3s are 24? 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. Now what are the remaining numbers? 1 by 9 into 8 by 5. So multiply numerator and numerator. 1 into 8, 8. 9 into 5, 45. Are you clear, ma? 12th Roman. Any doubt? Okay. Next, division. Division. First, divide. First sum is minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by 10. Minus 7 by minus 10. Now see, minus 21 by 5 by 27 minus 7 by minus 10. Minus cancel. So by and divide the same meaning only. So by after which number? This number we can use the reciprocal. Divide means division changed to multiplication. We have to use the reciprocal. So first number keep it 21 by 5. This divide change to multiplication. Take a reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal. How to take a reciprocal? Numerator come to denominator. Denominator go to numerator. So 10 by 7. Okay. Now see, this and this number come in same table. 1525. This and this number come in same table. 1737. So what are the remaining numbers? Minus 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. Multiply means 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. Are you clear, ma? The same second sum they are given. We will just do that. Next, 14th sum. Simplify the given number. Simplify 14th sum.